Stop scrolling. Let's talk about the fridge. Fact 1. You open it, see nothing, close it, and open it again like maybe snacks respawn. Fact 2. Your brain legit thinks a new snack will just appear if you stare hard enough. Fact 3. Sometimes you forget why you even opened it, so you just stand there. Fridge light on, existential crisis activated. Fact 4. You walk away, then 3 minutes later, fridge again. It's not hunger, it's hope. Literally, are we glitching or are we just bored? Someone explain why this is the universal side quest. Maybe the fridge is checking us.